English pronunciation tips for non-native speakers. Hello everyone and welcome to our video on English pronunciation tips for non-native speakers. English can be a tricky language to pronounce correctly, especially if it's not your first language. But no worries. In this video, we'll break down some of the common challenges and provide tips to improve your pronunciation skills. Let's dive in. Understanding the differences between vowels and consonants is crucial for mastering English pronunciation. English has 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U, and 21 consonants. Vowels can have a long or short pronunciation, and the pronunciation of a vowel can change depending on the letters around it. Consonants, on the other hand, generally have a more consistent sound. Remember, improving your understanding of how vowels and consonants work will significantly improve your pronunciation. One of the trickiest sounds for non-native speakers is the th sound. In English, there are 2 th sounds, voiced and unvoiced. The voiced th sounds like in, the, or that, and the unvoiced th sounds like in, thing, or thought. Try to practice these sounds. One helpful tip is to slightly stick out your tongue between your teeth when pronouncing th sound. It might feel strange at first, but with practice, it will become natural. In English, not all syllables in a word are pronounced with the same emphasis. Correct syllable stress is crucial for understanding and being understood in English. For example, consider the word presentation. The stress is on the a, presentation. Pay attention to where native speakers place the stress in words. Listening and mimicking can be a great practice technique. Many non-native speakers speak quickly in an attempt to sound more fluent. However, this often leads to mispronunciations and confusion. Don't be afraid to slow down. Speaking slower will give you time to think about your pronunciation and make your speech clearer. And there you have it. These are some of the common pronunciation challenges faced by non-native speakers of English, along with some tips to overcome them. Practice is key when it comes to pronunciation, so make sure to take these tips and use them regularly in your speech. Thank you for watching. We hope these tips help improve your English pronunciation skills. Happy learning and see you in our next video.